guys, I'm Brittney Rivers and welcome to my channel. So today I'm coming at you all with an unboxing and install of this full 13x4 ash blonde wig from Ashimaryhair. And let me tell you, Ashimary really did their thing with this blonde. Like, this is a beautiful blonde and it's super silky. This is right out the pack, you guys. I didn't even flat iron this hair. Like, it's eating, you guys. But Ashimary reached out to me and asked me to try this wig for you all, so of course I'm going to link it in the description box. But we are going to go ahead and get into this video. Please remember to like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Madam Brittney, and let's get into this video. Okay guys, so we are going to go ahead and open this wig and see what we're working with in here. See what we're working with. Ashimary always comes through, so I feel like she may eat, you guys. I feel like this wig just might eat the girlies up. So let's see what we have in here today. I'm pretty excited. That wig is super protected and it's bubble wrapped, so okay. Hats off to Ashimary. So, you do get this nice little blue shopping bag. Bow, bow, bow. And here is the box. Cutesy, cutesy. Let's see what's inside. We got some color today. We got an ash blonde wig with dark roots and it's 26 inches. But let's set the wig to the side and look at these gifts really quickly. So, it does have a robe and a bonnet in here. Yes, can't have too many of those. This bonnet is getting a little dirty. I need to wash it or something. But yeah, you get a lot of nice little gifts. Some wig caps, bobby pins, an edge brush, very cutesy, very cutesy. And I feel like this was kind of thrown in there for Halloween, so that's pretty cool. Like a nice little spider clip. But let's look at this wig, because this is different. This is something different. I don't think I've had many like dark root wigs. So let's actually look at this baby. This color is nice. It's like that Savannah James blonde, honey. This is not like the 613 yellow blonde. This is more so Savannah. Like, this is like an ash blonde wig. Like, this is nice. I feel like this is a very nice color on dark skin. This is that black girl blonde is what it's given. So here are the roots. The roots are like this honey brown almost, and then the hair is like honey blonde. So we are going to see how this looks together. It should give. I feel like this might give, you guys. But the hair itself is very, very pretty and silky. Like, bam, bam, bam. Like, it looks good. She looks good, honey. But let's take off this, let's take out these clips and see what the lace is actually looking like here. So, it is a full 13x4, so you get all of that parting space all throughout the wig, so it's no kind of weird U shape. You get your whole 4 inches all across the 13, so yes, yes, yes. And there is a headband in the back. This is an interesting color. Like, I haven't seen many companies do this at all. I have not. So, of course, there's the headband with the little grippies in the back. You have a comb here, bam, bam, bam. So we are going to jump right into this install and kind of just play with this wig and see what she gives. Because this is something I have not done before, but she might eat. I'm interested. I'm very interested. I am intrigued by this wig. I am very intrigued. We're gonna warm up my hot comb, get it ready, because yes, yes, yes. I feel like we might make some magic happen. So firstly, I'm going to go ahead and add a little lace tint to this lace to make it a little darker and just a little closer to my skin tone. Okay, so let's put this wig on and see what it's looking like. Okay. I'm liking the color of this blonde on my skin tone. Like, this is nice. This is like a dirty blonde almost. Like, I'm feeling that. I am actually kind of feeling that. So let's go ahead and actually install this wig. But I like this color on my skin tone. I really do. I think this is a nice black girl blonde. Like, yes, ma'am. Bam, bam, bam. Yeah, this is actually a really good blonde on dark skin. I do like this. So we're going to do a quick little install on this wig. I'm going to start by cutting 2 slits in the lace at the temples, and we are going to install this wig using a little lace spray. So this is going to be a pretty quick and easy install today, you guys. So now let's cut off all of this excess lace over here. Bam, bam, bam. Ooh, this is cutesy. I like it. I like it. It's giving. Bam. Bam. Is Savannah James, is this you? Is it you, Savannah James? Like, okay. Let me cut off this little piece here. We don't want to leave too much lace on the wig at all. I was thinking of putting curls in this hair, but I actually think straight might eat a little more. Like the straight look kind of eats. Okay, let's just keep going and see what we do. So let's actually install this wig. So I'm going to use 3 layers of the lace spray. So let's go ahead. This is layer 1, you guys. Just kind of spread it throughout with my fingers. You can use your finger a little bit because this is lace spray instead of lace glue. This is layer 1. Okay, so now we're gonna do layer 2. Okay, and finally layer 3, you guys. So now this layer, we're gonna actually put the wig where we want it to be. Oh, this lace is not too hard to work with at all. Oh, did I cut my head a little bit? You gotta be careful when using those razors. I think I cut my forehead a little bit, but yeah, this lace is actually kind of easy to work with, you guys. I like this. This is nice, but let's blow dry this. Okay, cutesy, cutesy, cutesy. So that's really the install, you guys. Let's kind of flatten the top a little bit, get the top kind of slay, and we're gonna add a little makeup to the middle because when you have like a blonde colored wig, you do need a little makeup to the part so it can really just pop a little more because the hair is already so light. But yeah, this little middle part was already in the hair. The hair is already straight, bust down, a bust down blonde look. That's interesting. A nice little blonde bust down. But let's add a little makeup to this part. Ooh, I look like Britney Spears, you guys. I'm not gonna lie to you. I look a little bit like Britney Spears here. It's giving Brittney. Oh, I do really, really like the color of this hair on my skin. Like, this is pretty. This is pretty, guys. So, this color is actually gorgeous. I am obsessed with this color, you guys. This is a really, really pretty color. I love it, you guys. But this install was super duper quick and easy. Once again, this wig is from Ashimaryhair. I'm going to link the wig in the description box. Like, this looks good. Look at how long it is. Look at the back, the color. This is so pretty. This is really, really pretty. I like this blonde. But I'm going to link this wig in the description box. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Madam Brittney. And thank you all so much for watching. Bye, guys.